I just want to relax and be taken care of.
Hey guys, Deborah here. You're most welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly hit that subscribe button before you leave and watch other of my videos. I'm sure you can tell from the thumbnail that this is going to be a transformation video, and it just popped in my head. So what is so special about this transformation video is I am Nigerian and I'm transforming into a Nigerian celebrity using only Nigerian makeup products. So I'm not going to be talking much in this video. I'm just going to be telling you the products I'm using, and if I have anything to say, I am going to say it, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my most loved. I love this foundation because it's so affordable. It's made in Nigeria, it's full coverage, and it gives you a matte finish. So this is the Classic Makeup Luxury Radiance Liquid Makeup, and it has SPF 30. So after I apply my foundation, the next thing I like to do is to highlight my face, because that just makes me look snatched, okay? It just makes me look perfect. I'm just going to be using my ARON liquid concealer in 2 shades. I use 2 shades because one is too light and one is too dark. So I mix the two so that they are perfect. I haven't done my makeup in a long time, okay? So don't judge me. After I blended out my highlights, because I know nobody wants to see me blending my highlights, the next thing I do is I go in with a contour color, which is the Classic Makeup Luxury Radiant Foundation. This is another shade, a darker shade. So I'm just going to use another brush to blend it out. So the next thing I'm going to do is set my highlights, because it is a liquid foundation, so if I don't set it, it's going to start breaking. So I'm going to be using the ARON Oil Control Mineral Boost Powder in the shade LZ10. So after that, I use my Classic Compact Powder Palette, and as you can see, I really love Classic because it's so affordable. It is made in Nigeria, it's affordable, it is easily accessible. There's no makeup store, even the roadside makeup stores, they sell Classic, and funny enough, there's no fake Classic, there's only original Classic. This dark shade here. Classic came out before ZKL, but ZKL has stolen my heart, so I'm just going to contour with that shade. So Mercy has a very chiseled face because she's slim. She's beautifully slim and curvy and like hot and spicy, like a malacita, but I'm chubby. Okay, my face is chubby because I like to eat. So I'm going to contour my face very well today, so that I try my best to look like the beautiful Mercy. So I'm going to be going through the video and just trying my best to see exactly what they did to her eyeshadow.
Just want to relax and take care of.
So it's like a very wine kind of cut crease smoky eye. So I'm going to be using this Classic liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Flame on my eyes as eyeshadow, because that's what makeup is about. I'm going to use a Classic pressed powder in the shade Dark as a transition color, just to help me blend out the edges. I'm just using my ARON concealer to cut the crease a little bit, because I saw in the video she has like a cut crease. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to set it with a powder shade that I used. So are you guys catching in on the show? I just saw only the first episode. I haven't seen the second one. Let me know, drop your comments in the comment section if you like it or what your thoughts are on it. I feel like she's a boss and she deserves all the attention she's getting. So now we're going to do our mascara. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to be using the ARON lengthening mascara. This one is so popular. It is so amazing. My only problem with it is whenever I use it on my lower lashes, it always stains my face. So it's not a waterproof mascara. The lashes I'm going to use, they are, my friend actually gave me these lashes. I don't know where she got it from, but I'm sure it's a Nigerian brand. Yes. So boom, we have the lashes on. They're so big. My eyes look like, oh wow, they're amazing. So now we're going to go ahead and do our brows. Mercy Eke has skinny, sexy, all nicely arched brows, but my brows are big and bushy because I am saving them. I want to get them professionally shaped, so I'm going to do my best to. So I'm going to be using my ARON eyebrow pencil, and the name has rubbed off, but it's the ARON eyebrow pencil. They don't look anything like her brows though, but okay, we'll just manage. But I think we're looking really relaxed-ish. I'm using the liquid lipstick as a blush. Again, that's what makeup is about. So guys, for the lips, she has like a wine ombre lip, so this is a purple shade, and then I'm just gonna blend it. I use it to blend out the other one. So for the center of my lips, oh my god, I'm looking so sexy, like sexy. I'm going to be using another classic liquid lipstick in the shade Nude, just for the center. And I'm gonna blend it with a brush. I like how Mercy Eke looks so very sexy, but not in a tacky way, just like in a classy, spicy way. I just like that. So let me change into the outfit and I'll be right back, okay? And let's see the final finished look, if I did justice. So guys, this is the finished look, the finished product. Tell me what you think. Did I slay the look? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of this type of videos, drop me a comment down below. I had so much fun recreating Mercy Eke's look for her reality show, which is absolutely interesting to watch. And if you don't know, I really love Mercy Eke as in a babe. That's a babe. So what actually inspired this video is the scene where she was wearing that leopard print dress and her hair all the way to the back, where she was crying that she just wants to relax and be taken care of. So when I saw the video, I was like, I have this kind of dress, something similar, this leopard print cow neck dress, and I was like, yes, I can do this. And I have some hoops, and I totally can do my makeup like that, but I wanted to add some spice and originality to the video, so I was like, I'm going to use only Nigerian makeup products for this one. For me, I think I got a good 7-8ish. If this hair was black now, it would have been 10/10. So before we say bye, I'm going to reenact the iconic scene that inspired this whole video. You know the scene. I know that when you saw the scene, you were like, what just happened?
I just want to relax and be taken care of.
So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.